your previous lecture. And now what we have to do next, Bolo? बोलो लास्ट टाइम की ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਾਸਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਫਿਨਿਸ਼ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ
ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਸੁਪਰਾ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ
ਹਾਂਜੀ हाँ बोलो बेटे की कह रहे सी
सर एफएमओ अप्रोच की थी साइक्लो एडिशन रिएक्शंस
okay so let's move to the next method to study cycloaddition reactions and that is your PMO approach or Huckel-Mobius method for cycloaddition reactions. So again, we have to find out selection rule for cycloaddition reaction by PMO approach or by Huckel-Mobius method. Now, what are characteristics of this method? Perturbation molecular orbital theory or Huckel-Mobius method. What are the basic characteristics of this method? We have discussed already. So yes, tell me what we do in this method. Yes, bete, we have done yesterday. So what we do in this method? In Huckel-Mobius method, what we do?
सर ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਬਲ ਬੌਂਡ ਸੈਪਰੇਟਲੀ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ ਹੋਮੋ ਲਿਊਮੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਣਾ
ਹੋਮੋ ਲਿਊਮੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਣਾ ਸੈਪਰੇਟ ਡਬਲ ਬੌਂਡ ਲੈਣੇ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ we look for what?
सर रिएक्शन अलाउड है या फॉरबिडन है
नहीं वो तो
एरोमेटिक नॉन एरोमेटिक
हाँ we look for the transition state and what we look in transition state number of nodes. If there's a zero node, that system is called
हक्कल सिस्टम
if there's a one node, that system is called Mobius system.
मोबियस
And in Huckel system 4n plus 2 pi electron state is aromatic and allowed, while in case Mobius system which state is aromatic with how many electrons?
4n pi electrons.
4n pi electrons. Okay. So the main characteristics is here we do not take homo-LUMO, we take simple double bonds and we see transition state. We look transition state whether it is aromatic transition state or a anti-aromatic transition state. So let us start with the very first reaction 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. So again, we have same situation. We have two ethylene molecules. So that gives rise to a cyclobutane. And we have to find out whether this reaction is allowed under thermal or photochemically by this method. So this reaction is allowed under which situation? We have already done. 2 plus 2 cycloaddition is allowed under thermal or photochemically. FMO method ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ result ਆਇਆ ਸੀ?
So photochemical.
Photochemically. So same result.
Photochemicals.
Yes. So same result we are going to get here also, but in a different way. Okay. So ethylene molecules. So that means this is your one ethylene molecule. So plus, minus, plus, minus. So this is your one ethylene molecule. And this is your second ethylene molecule. Okay, this is one, this is second. So see here, we have not taken any HUMO and LUMO. We have taken each double bond separately. So this is one ethylene, this is second ethylene. Now we will look for their transition state. So transition state will be formed by their overlapping. So they will state. Now this transition state can be formed by 4 different ways. These lobes, they can overlap over each other in a transition state in a 4 different ways. The very first way is by which they can overlapping, and we know this is a allowed reaction. ठीक है, पर supra ही अपन consider करते हैं. ठीक है, this is the most favorable position. So let us begin with the supra overlapping. So let us see what will be transition state. So this is your 1 ethylene molecule. Let's put second ethylene molecule over here. So I will put plus, minus, and I will put minus here and plus here. You can do same. You can put plus here also. It doesn't matter. ठीक है, plus अगर ऊपर भी पालोगे दोनों और minus दोनों नीचे पालोगे, it doesn't matter. So first of all, we have to see supra. So how supra will look? That means both lobes on the same side of 2 molecules, they undergo overlapping. So how it will look like? It will look like this. So this will overlap with this one. This has already overlapped with this transition state in supra overlapping. Now in this transition state, do you have any node? How many nodes are there in this transition state?
No, sir.
0 node. So since this transition state has a 0 node, so which system it is? Huckel or Mobius?
Huckel system.
Huckel system.
So this is Huckel system. And this system consists of how many electrons? This one that we are considering. 4 pi electrons or 4n plus 2 pi electrons? Can electrons in this transition
4 pi.
state? Which? So this belongs to a 4 pi electron. So it's a Huckel system with 4 pi electron system. So under thermal state, this transition state is aromatic or anti-aromatic?
Anti-aromatic.
So this transition state is anti-aromatic. So under thermal, this reaction is, it is allowed. Very simple. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is our second case? Case number 2. How overlapping can take place? One is supra. We have to consider all possibilities of overlapping. So one is supra, most favorable. Okay, this is most favorable overlapping. But other overlappings can also take place. So the second overlapping is, bolo, key possibility likhiye.
Sir, supra enter.
Okay. So let us take supra entara. So one is supra, that means in one molecule, both lobes are on same side, while in other, both overlapping lobes, they are on opposite side. So again, we have a same situation. I will write minus, plus. So this is your 1 pi bond 1 ethylene molecule. This is your second ethylene molecule, plus, minus. Okay, so it is supra entara. So let us take this supra and this entara. So situation will become something like this. The back side here. Okay, so now this is your transition state. Now in this transition state, do we have any node?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1.
We have a 1 node because plus is minus overlapping. So number of nodes are 1. So this system is
Mobius.
With transition state is aromatic and it is allowed. But photochemically it is forbidden. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next third case number 3. Entara, and draw it by yourself, draw it on your copy. So here we have to take first entara and then supra. So we have a minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So this will be entara, this will be supra. We can also write this as 2s plus 2s. Supra. Here it will be 2s plus 2a, supra 2s. Okay. So let's this overlap with this one. So now this lobe will overlap with which one? This one. You have to make this supra. So this like this, system with transition state is aromatic and it is allowed, but photochemically it is case
Entara, sir.
when both are entara. So again we take the same plus, minus. So let one will overlap with which one? Bolo? We need both entara. So yes, which one will overlap which one? Bolo?
So negative now.
Yes, negative with negative because both are on opposite side. Okay, so what kind of system it is? Number of
Zero.
nodes. So 4n pi electrons. So reaction is forbidden. So these are four possible transition states in supra. Supra, that means this condition will be only followed because this is the most favorable method. So yes, beti, any doubt?
ਸਰ ਐਫਐਮਐਲ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਕੇसेस ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਜੇ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਆ ਜੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਤਾਂ
नहीं बेटे नहीं, वो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. In FMO we just take supra.
ਓਕੇ ਸਰ
ठीक है. अगर बाकी कंसीडर भी करेंगे रिजल्ट है सेम आएंगे. अगर सुपरा एंटीरा करेंगे तो थर्मल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਅਲਾਉਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਫੋਟੋਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਚ ਫੋਰਬਿਡਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਐਂਟਾਰਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਸੇਮ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਹੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਣਗੇ. Is it clear?
ਯੈਸ ਸਰ
Okay. It is cyclo addition. Okay. So that means we have a system of electrons, another containing 2 pi electrons. So this will be your product. Now, as we have already seen, this reaction is allowed under which condition? Thermal or photochemical?
Thermal.
Ji?
Thermal, sir.
Thermal. This reaction is allowed under thermal condition. Okay. So let us see. So again, we have to take these two molecules. So now, what are our system? So this is your 1,3-butadiene. So let us take 1,3-butadiene. This is your ethylene. We have to mix them together and we have to look for the transition state. What will be sign here? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and here also plus, minus. Remember, we do not take HUMO-LUMO in PMO or HM method. We just take separate double bonds. So sign will be same everywhere. So here also you can take plus, minus, but क्योंकि अपन इसको नीचे रखेंगे, I will take it as a minus, plus, minus, plus. First case, case one. Case one.
supra
Supra overlapping. So let us see, this is most favorable overlapping is allowed under which state, thermal or photochemically. So let me draw this. So plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So here ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਲੱਸ ਵੀ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਬਟ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਬੈਕ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੋਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਇਧਰੋਂ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸੁਪਰਾ ਦਿਸ ਨੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਇਨ ਡੈਟ ਆਲਸੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਕੁਆਇਟ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਟੂ ਰਾਈਟ ਸੋ ਇਹ ਆਪਸ ਚ ਓਵਰਲੈਪਿੰਗ ਹੀ ਹੋਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਦਿਸ and both are supra so this will overlap with this one and this will overlap with this one, so this is supra so it's 4s plus 2s. Now this system has how many nodes? Zero. With how many electrons? 4n plus 2 pi electrons. 4n 2 plus कितना हो गए 4 electrons अपने butadiene ने 2 electrons हो गए थे ethylene दे total aromatic transition state is aromatic, so it's allowed but same result जो हम FMO method दे विच आए. What is case number 2?
supra
Entara. So it will be like 4s plus 2a plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. So I will write here minus minus plus plus. Okay, so this is supra, this one is Entara. So which lobe will overlap with which one? Bolo. Then what will be other minus? This one, it will overlap with
plus वगैरह
plus. So this will become Entara. So this is 4s plus 2a. Now what kind of system it is? Number of
One.
nodes?
One.
1. Mobius I electron. So under thermal case, your transition is so it is forbidden but photochemically allowed. Entara supra. So it will be Entara supra plus 2s. Okay, tell me. Suppose this negative overlap with negative, then this negative will overlap. So here it is supra, but on the upper side 1,3-butadiene it is Antara. So it is 4A, 2S. So again same. Okay, same you can write over here. Yes or no? Bolo.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, same thing here. Write down. So last one is your case number 4. When you have so you have 4A plus 2A. Okay, so how you will draw it? Tell me how you will draw it. So let's overlap this positive lobe with this one. So and this negative. So number of nodes 0. It is Huckel system. Thermal transition state is aromatic. So it is allowed. So this is your 4+2 cycloaddition reaction by Huckel-Mobius method. So अगर एग्जाम च क्वेश्चन आंदा है डिस्कस Huckel-Mobius method or PMO approach for cycloaddition reaction, you have to discuss this thing. At the end, you have to write down the selection rules. हो गया बेटे नोट कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let's write down the selection rules very fast. So and then I will end. So let us system. So your system may be 4n pi. Now 4n pi जिमें 2+2 cycloaddition. Total 4 electrons. Now it may be 4 and 4+2 cycloaddition. So you may have 2+2, 4+2 cycloaddition. Okay, number of nodes. So you have 2 possibilities in each system. You can have a 0 node, you can have 1 node. So you can have 0 node or you can have a 1 node. Aromaticity. So when you have a 0 node in 4n pi system, it will be aromatic or anti-aromatic?
Anti-aromatic.
Aromatic.
So it's anti-aromatic, okay, and thermally allowed and photochemically allowed. Okay, thermally allowed and photochemical. So when it's anti-aromatic, under which state it is allowed?
Photochemical.
Photochemical, good. So under supra, it is photochemically allowed. And Antara, it's not allowed here. And when it is 1, your transition state is aromatic. So it is thermally allowed in supra fashion. Okay, under which state thermally allowed? If it is 1, supra तो होगी, supra नहीं होगी.
Supra Antara and Antara Supra.
Good. Supra Antara and Antara supra. Here not allowed. Okay, when it has 0 node, system is aromatic, opposite हो गया उसका. Here it is supra or Antara, and here you have supra Antara or Antara supra. So that was your HM method or a PMO method. So yes, beta, if you have any question or doubt, please ask.
ਸਰ ਉਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ
For examples ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬੇਟੇ?
ਸਰ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਹੀ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਆਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਪੀਐਮਓ ਅਪਰੋਚ ਨਾਲ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਬੇਟੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ ਲਈਆਂ ਨੇ 2+2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਥੀਲੀਨ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲਸ ਲਏ ਨੇ ਔਰ 4+2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਲਏ ਨੇ butadiene ਤੇ ਇਥੀਲੀਨ. These are the simplest examples. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਸਿੰਪਲੈਸਟ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਕੋਈ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਦੀ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਦ ਹੋਏਗਾ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ?
ਨਹੀਂ ਸਰ ਮੈਂ ਲੈਣ ਲਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੀ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਪੇਪਰ 'ਚ ਇੰਨੀ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏਗੀ ਕੋਈ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ
ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੇਟੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੇਪਰ ਨਾ ਦੇਖੋ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਅਗਰ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਏਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਏਗਾ, ਡਿਸਕਸ, ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਰੁਕੋ, ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਪਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ, ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਆਉਣਗੀਆਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਆਪਾਂ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਫ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ, ਡਰਾ ਵੁਡਮੈਨ ਹੋਫਮੈਨ ਕੋਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਡਾਇਗਰਾਮ for electrocyclic reaction of hexatriene under thermal condition. That means ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਡਾਇਗਰਾਮਸ ਬਣਾਏ ਸੀ for hexatriene, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕੱਲ ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਥਰਮਲ ਸਟੇਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਾ, ਯੈਸ ਬੇਟੇ,
ਯੈਸ
ਹਾਂ ਨਾ, ਥਰਮਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਾਣੇ ਨੇ, ਬਸ ਸਿਰਫ ਥਰਮਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਫੋਟੋਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ, discuss 4+2 cycloaddition reaction using correlational diagrams, ਇਹ ਹਾਲੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀਤੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, discuss 4+2 cycloaddition reaction using correlational diagram। ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਸੇਮ ਇਦਾਂ ਪੁੱਛ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, discuss method ਜਾਂ method, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰੋਗੇ, you will take same example। ਆਈ ਗੱਲ ਸਮਝ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ?
ਯੈਸ ਸਰ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਟੇ ਸੇਮ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ, ਅਗਰ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦਾ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਸਾਈਕਲਿਕ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਯੂਜ਼ਿੰਗ FMO ਅਪਰੋਚ ਐਂਡ ਫਾਰਮੂਲੇਟ ਸਿਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਰੂਲ, ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਸਾਈਕਲਿਕ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਬਾਈ FMO ਅਪਰੋਚ, 4.5 ਨੰਬਰ ਦਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ। ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ ਆਪਾਂ LDS ਯਾਦਵ ਦੀ ਬੁੱਕ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਹੀ, ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਕਲਾਸ 'ਚ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਆ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਮੈਂ। ਐਵੇਂ ਦੇਖੋ, ਇੱਕ ਆ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, explain electrocyclic reaction of 1,3,5 hexatriene using Woodward Hoffman correlational rule, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਸੇਮ। ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ, draw Woodward Hoffman correlation diagram for cycloaddition reaction of hexatriene under photochemical condition। ਤਾਂ ਬੇਟੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਹੀ ਆਏਗਾ,
ਓਕੇ ਸਰ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਚਲੋ। So yes beta, if you have any other question please ask।